Hello guys, have you applied for NIELIT scientist jobs? NIELIT, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, has announced 495 vacancies for the post of Scientist B and Technical Assistant A. If you want to crack that exam, you need to start the preparations as early as possible. In this video, we are going to learn about the pattern and syllabus of that exam and also some tips to crack it in the first attempts. Okay guys, it's me Abhisha. You are watching me on our channel Crack Easy, the place to learn everything about Easy. Please do watch the video till the end. So without wasting further time, let us get started. First, I will share 6 tips with you regarding how to start the preparation of this exam and how to crack it in the first attempt. I think smart work gives better result than hard work. Smart in the sense for studying there are some right techniques which is to be followed for getting better results in exam. We need to make sure that whatever we are working hard on, it yields some results. That's why I'm sharing these tips with you. Moving on to the first tip, if we simply follow the syllabus of a competitive exam, we may not be able to crack it. So first we have to check the pattern of that exam and start preparation. I will tell you about the pattern of this exam in detail later in this video. Let me now take you to the second tip. Whenever we prepare for a competitive exam, it's better to refer its previous year questions. So try to practice maximum possible previous year NIELIT exam questions so that you will get an idea of how the questions are being asked and how to approach each questions. Then based on this, make a priority list of the topics in the syllabus and focus more on important topics. Alright? Then, sometimes even after preparing well for an exam, we may not be able to complete the questions within the prescribed time. So, practice maximum possible questions which will help you to increase your speed in problem solving and also use some shortcut methods or tricks to solve problems within short time. Alright, finally make a formula list so that when you approach a question, you may not be confused with its corresponding formula. Now, take a look at the selection procedure of these two posts. The final selection of candidates for the post of Scientist B will be based on written examination, interview, and document verification. The weightage of marks for written examination and interview will be in the ratio 85:15 and it is mandatory to appear in the interview for selection. On the other hand, the final selection of candidates for the post of Technical Assistant A will be based on written examination and document verification. Alright, let me now draw your attention to the pattern of this written examination. In fact, pattern of written examination is same for both Scientist B and Technical Assistant A posts. The written examination shall be objective type and OMR based. There would be a total of 120 objective type questions which have to be answered in 3 hours. 78 questions from technical part and 42 questions on generic area. Every question will carry 1 mark and there will be negative marking of 0.25 mark for each wrong answer. That's all about the written exam pattern. Moving on to the detailed syllabus. For Scientist B post, 35% of the question is from generic area. It includes logical reasoning, analytical reasoning capabilities, quantitative and qualitative capabilities, and general aptitude. And the remaining 65% is from technical part. These are the topics coming under technical part. Alright. The syllabus of Technical Assistant A. Here also 35% of the question is from generic area. The topics coming under this section is listed here. And the remaining 65% is from technical area. The topics coming under technical area are listed here. Alright. The link for detailed syllabus is given in the description box. So please go through that and start your preparation as early as possible. That's all for today. I will come back soon with an ILIT scientist job lectures and previous year solved questions. So please stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.